Getting ready to set up to do the A-Bomb Low Country Boil today for Christmas. Doing it over here at Abby's family's house. Got the pot ready to go. In the cooler here I got 10 pounds of fresh Gulf shrimp and 2 bags of snow crab legs. And then this is all the stuff that's going to go in it. We got our Conecuh sausage, fresh corn, red potatoes, mushrooms, onions, some lime. I got my favorite boil, Swamp Fire. We got the seafood in a bag boil there, Swamp Fire liquid boil, pepper sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and that'll be it right there. Getting ready to fire this thing off and get started on it.
Don't worry about it. It'd be something for him to work on this holiday. Kind of nice.
Okay, this is gonna burn eyes if you stare right into it. Oops, yes.
Nah.
I kept that camera straight even though it was my eyes were melting. I know that.
Smell it. Woo! Serious stuff here now.
Wow.
You guys are funny.
Abby, you go, girl. Look at down here. Oh, he's just so beautiful. He did such a good job. So happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, I was shocked when I saw that online. Were you? Yes, I was like, what the hell? That's not recording.
It is.
Oh yeah, it's getting everything.
Okay. Okay.
Cut that part out.
How many ounces was that?
Got a cup. There ain't no measuring around here.
Potatoes. Right. Woo!
I don't think I was straight on that one. I think that was I was sideways.
Now what kind of potatoes?
You're
were they?
fired. They were new.
Won't be the first time
They're
I've been
about to be
fired.
old real quick.
That's special.
Everyone's favorite part.
This is not gonna take at all, is
It's that shirt.
Just trying to be festive today.
Two lemons. That's more potatoes and onions.
Those are mushrooms and onions.
Oh, mushrooms.
Woohoo!
Red butter, right?
Here's an all.
Yes, yes, yes. Is the bow too much? I don't think so. Oh my.
The women out here cracking up, telling stories while I'm trying to cook.
Yeah, and you're loving it. You're very entertained.
I like
Tell me you're not.
your shirt there.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, and your very
Glossy
festive
on a-
bow.
Thank you.
NASA. Yeah.
Mhm.
But we're not blinking.
Oh no, I know. I need to turn it on.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
There you go. Now.
Crab legs and a whole lot of shrimp. 10 pounds, is that what we got?
Yep, 10 pounds. 10 pounds of 16-20 count
Almost
Gulf,
like a creepy brain that way.
Gulf shrimp.
It's better.
And we got some snow crab legs. We're gonna throw those in there with it too.
Oh, hey.
All right.
Oh, okay. Mushroom time.
I love me some onion chunks.
All right. Well, those are excellent. All right.
It's looking good.
That looks good. Look at, they're ready to peel. All right, thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Looking good.
Go. Time to cool them down.
You want to throw some of this in here, Adam?
I'm going to check it first real quick and see. Let me just get it kind of evened out here. About where we're at. Yep, we need to put a little in there. Throw that chunk in there and then I'll mix it up.
What are you trying to get it down to?
155.
Okay.
155, 160, somewhere in that range.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be good right there. It's at 160. I think we're gonna leave it right there.
Good deal.
All right, Andrew, I want you to look at this. Perfect peeling boiled shrimp. Look at all that juice, man. No need to devein.
Wow.
That is the perfect shrimp. Look. So how clean that is and meaty and spicy. So good.
All right, let's go eat.
All right, let's do it. All right, these guys have been soaking for a good 20 minutes and they're perfect. They're full of flavor, so we're gonna go ahead and dump them out. Gotta get some of that juice out of there.
Money shot.
Money shot. Yeah. Just drain them.
I don't know if that's gonna be enough food.
For who? Not enough for 50 people? This is what you call leftovers. You can't make enough just for tonight. You got to have leftovers for tomorrow and tomorrow night, man. You got to eat on this stuff for a couple days. All right, we're gonna go ahead and dump them in our little pot right here, our dish. There we go.
That is a beautiful pan.
Nice. Take that out.
Merry Christmas.
There you go.